Welcome, finance enthusiasts, to Insights to Income, your ultimate guide to smarter money management. Today's episode is a special one, as we unravel the secrets of the 50-30-20 rule. This isn't just a budgeting strategy, it's a lifestyle changer that's going to redefine your financial journey. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this exciting financial adventure. Before we get started, please become a part of our growing community by hitting the subscribe button and share the video with your family and friends. Unpacking the 50-30-20 rule. First things first, what exactly is the 50-30-20 rule? Imagine it as a financial blueprint created by none other than Senator Elizabeth Warren. It's all about splitting your after-tax income into three distinct categories: 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% for your future, which includes savings and debt repayment. Simple, right? But oh, the magic it can weave into your finances. The 50% is for essential needs. Let's start with the biggest slice of your financial pie, the needs. This half is dedicated to the essentials: your rent or mortgage, utility bills, groceries, insurance, and those unavoidable debt payments. Say you're taking home $3,000 a month. That means $1,500 is earmarked for these non-negotiables. The 30% is for personal wants. Moving on to the fun part, the wants. This 30% is your green light to enjoy life. We're talking movies, dining out, that gym membership you've been eyeing, or even the occasional shopping spree. From our $3,000, this is $900 of pure leisure. But beware of the temptation to overspend. Indulge wisely, find the perfect balance between treating yourself and staying financially fit. What's your favorite want spend? Share in the comments. The 20% is for future savings and debt repayment. Now, for the cornerstone of your financial well-being, the 20% for savings and debt. This $600 from our $3,000 example is your ticket to a stress-free financial future. Whether it's building an emergency fund, chipping away at high-interest debt, or growing your retirement nest egg. But wait, there's more. Life isn't one size fits all, and neither is budgeting. Whether you're dealing with variable income, high living costs, or just starting in your financial journey, make sure to tailor the 50-30-20 rule to fit your unique life circumstances as needed. And that's a wrap on the 50-30-20 rule. But remember, this is just the beginning of our journey together. Here at Insights to Income, we're not just about numbers, we're about building a community of financially savvy individuals. So, let's make finance fun and achievable. If you found today's episode valuable, smash that like button and share it with your friends. Become a part of our growing community by hitting subscribe and ringing that bell for notifications. Your support means the world to us and fuels our mission to bring you the best in personal finance. Stay tuned, stay savvy, and let's conquer our financial goals together.